guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold a origami pig. And before I start the tutorial, please don't forget to click the subscribe down below to help me reach 1000 subscribers. And so first you will need a scratch of paper with a different color so that you can see there's a color change on the nose. So first, fold paper in half. Then fold edge to the center crease. Same thing on the other side. Right. Then turn the paper over. Fold in half this way. Like this. Then fold this edge to this edge. Make a diagonal fold like this. Do the same thing on the back. And do the same on the opposite side. Now unfold like this, and now you're going to make a reverse fold right here. Make the crease you just made into modern fold like this, and just push it and slide it down this way. Do the same thing on these three. Right, now you fold this up like this. Same thing at this side. Right, now fold this edge to this point. Make a fold like this, unfold, and do the same on this side. Like this, and make it into a rabbit ear fold. Fold it like this, unfold, then fold this back down. Right, then turn the paper over. Now I'm going to make a crease from this point. Right, so you fold like this, and this point should meet with the center crease like this, so you make a fold like this. Right, unfold and do the same thing here. This. Right, now push these two and make something look like right here. Like this. Then you rotate the paper. This. So fold this down, and you remake the rabbit ear you made just now. So open it and make that crease like this. Then fold back down. You can see something like this. So this is that. Then fold it this way. Then get something like this. So for this here, then open, and we're going to make a crease right between these 2 points. So make a crease, and we're going to make a pleat about this big. So make a pleat like this, then fold it half like this. So you have the back leg and the front leg. Right now, fold this to the left, rotate, and I'm going to divide this. So from this point to this point, and we're going to make a pinch mark. So fold this flap only. So make a pinch mark right here. You can see. Then we fold this point to this pinch mark and make a crease. Then going to open layer. This and you can see the crease. Then we're going to make it into multifold. Like this. So rotate paper and going to flatten down like this. So now fold the model in half again. So now need to pay attention. So we're going to fold this edge to this crease. So fold it like this. Right, then again we going to open this layer and see there's crease right here. So this crease will be already full. So if possible, you can push it like this to make it full. So if not, you just make the belly fold, and so you push it, then right here you make a fold like this. Same thing here. Right, then push this and the metaphor and slowly straight down, get something like this. Right, so fix everything. Now I'm going to fold this flap, so this point to this point, so we divide down like this. Same thing on this side, like this. And now going to make something like a pedal. So we fold this up and we set this down like this, right? So I do it again on this side. So pull this up and flip this down like this, right? Then now what we do, unfold. So we're going to make these 3 crease into multifold. So if you know what I mean, so this will be multifold and this crease will be default. So when you flip it down, you get something like this. So I make again on this side, forwarding. So make this fold into multifold and then straighten down this way. Then you make a reverse fold like this to shape it. Same thing here, right? And now open this and we're going to make a pleats like this. Right, flat everything. Now I'm going to make a shear fold like this, fold this and squash this down, right, and do the same thing here, fold this down and squash this. So fold the bowl on the back, make sure everything is aligned. Right, now so for the tail we want to fold it. So fold it up like this and fold it up again like this to make it thin, and so try fold and make a curly tail like this. So now you shape nose here. So push it down like a thing. Shape it this, and after you've done that, you have just complete the model. And if you like this model, don't forget to click thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.